Our project is identification and prediction of state of activated sludge wastewater treatment plant using image analysis. Our team lead is Dr. Humaira Nisar. In the project, we concentrate on secondary treatment, which mainly consists of aeration tank and secondary clarifier. Our work comprises of the sequence of sample collection, microscopy, and software development for identification of abnormal condition and prediction of future state. We observed the samples collected from the aeration tank and acquired microscopic images of flocks and filaments. The images were segmented and labeled, and morphological features of flocks were extracted. Machine learning algorithms were used subsequently for identification and prediction. For benchmarking, traditional physicochemical procedures were used. Image processing and wastewater treatment are related by flocks and filaments. Flocks are aggregates of microorganisms, size in range of 0.5 to 1000 micrometer, consist of alive and dead cells and products of their metabolism. Filaments form backbone or rigid support network to the flock structure, help the flock to filter out fine particulate and settle if in small amounts. Certain filaments cause bulking and foaming problems too. In different abnormal conditions, flocks and filaments have different morphological properties like compactness, solidity, convexity, porosity, and area. We developed three algorithms for image segmentation. First was based on morphological operations of image processing. Second was local adaptive version of global thresholding. Third was based on illumination noise modeling. Initially, we used roundness, compactness, and convexity for correlation with SVI. Later, more morphological parameters were used and partitioned on the basis of range of equivalent diameter. We used over image analysis parameter besides those defined in literature, such as normalized flock area, which is ratio of total flock area to the area captured by all the images. We use machine learning based classifiers for identification of state. We also proposed our support vector machine based classifier, which showed better performance compared to others. We use 6 performance metrics to deal with imbalanced data. We use predictive models for SVI and MLSS. We achieved adjusted correlation of 0.951 for SVI and 0.884 for MLSS. First advantage of our work is reduction in measurement time. Image analysis based procedure is time efficient, less costly, and clean compared to conventional measurement. Second advantage is reduction in maintenance cost. Abnormal conditions such as bulking and foaming result into poor settling in clarifier and sludge overflows into secondary effluent or onto walkways. Monitoring and timely prediction of abnormal states will reduce the maintenance costs associated with bulking and foaming. The third advantage is reduction in man hours. If remedial measures are taken in time, man hours required for recovery of the plant from abnormal states will be saved. We can also avoid the environmental risks associated with abnormal states and physicochemical measurements such as poor effluent quality, sludge overflow to walkways, mercury waste, and prolonged interaction of workers with sludge samples.